Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have another Magnum ice cream to taste, and this one is double ruby, berries and cream. Sounds good already. But let's take a look at the packaging first. Look at this. Ooh, looks really nice and luxurious. It's nice and red. Shiny Magnum logo over here, very nice. And it's made with recycled plastic, that's really good. And the company is Unilever Corporation, of course, very good company. Here's some nutrient values if you want to check. And some information here. Really nice. I like the Magnum packaging, they're always really elegant and luxurious. Let's take off the cover and see what we get. Ooh, so this is one of those crack to open things. You wait 10 minutes, then you press here, crack to open, and then you should get some kind of really nice chocolate action. Oh, let's see what's inside. Oh, look at this. Smells absolutely delicious. Look at this. Really nice. So you press here on the side and ooh. It's coming out. I think I should just do it with the spoon because I think it melted a little bit because I was waiting for so long. So here we go. Look at this. The chocolate cover is coming off very nicely. Oh, look. The smell, it's so fresh. The berries are really kicking in. Look at this. Let's take a bite. So now we have the chocolate cover and the actual ice cream itself. Let's see how it tastes like. Really, really, really sweet. Oh, look at this. Yeah. This is the cover. Really nice. Ooh, look at this on the side, so red here. So much berry flavor, let's taste it a little bit. Really nice chocolate. It's so fresh, so sweet. But it's not like sugary sweet, I mean it's very sweet. It's like natural flavors. It's not like when you eat candy, that's just fake sugar. This is real sugar from the berries. I like this. The chocolate cover itself is really good itself. Like they should sell this just the chocolate. I think they do somewhere, but not in my country. Can you add in the ice cream? Look at this. This is really yummy chocolate. Maybe the best one of these berry chocolate I ever tasted. And what is this ruby chocolate thing? Ruby cocoa beans. Nobody else has ever made chocolate with this ruby cocoa bean. I have seen some chocolate just with ruby cocoa, but added with ice cream, that's a new thing. Magnum surely knows how to make unique ice cream flavors. They're best. Let's dig in and see what we find. Last time there was more chocolate cover inside, but let's see if it's here too. Let's do some digging. Yep, there's more chocolate inside. Really good. Look here. sometimes ice cream makers are doing like, they only put the toppings and the special things on the top, but when you dig inside, it's just vanilla, but not Magnum. It's flavor all the way to the bottom. They didn't save ingredients when they make this ice cream. Yeah, they have so much chocolate inside here. Really nice. I don't know if you can see it, but ooh, I dropped some ice cream. 5-second rule. 10-second rule. Don't worry. My floor is very clean. I clean every day. I'm a clean man. Ladies, if you want a clean man, contact Myra right now. And what can I say? This is probably the best ice cream from Magnum I have ever tasted. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet because it's natural. It's from the berries. And the ruby chocolate, if you haven't tasted ruby chocolate before, you gotta try it. It's really good. It's really crunchy as well. It's not like cheap chocolate that's just easy to bite, but this is like crunchy chocolate. Really nice. This ice cream deserves a special rating. I never gave this rating before, but for this one I will give a special rating. 11 out of 10. You cannot put it on 10 out of 10 chart. It's above that. It's 11 out of 10. The best ice cream ever tasted. Thank you Magnum for another epic ice cream flavor, and thank you Unilever for making this all possible. I like your company. You have the best consumer goods ever. Much better than Nestle ice cream. You are number one in ice cream. Thank you very much. It's hard to not eat the whole jar once you open it. It's so good. But yeah, thanks for watching this review, and comment below if you have tasted this ice cream before and did you like it or not. I'm pretty sure you liked it. Who could not say no to this ice cream? It's really good. Yeah, thanks for watching, and like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next time. Thanks for watching.